This is Dr. R. Sundar Kumar, Assistant Professor in Road and Transport Technology, Erode, Tamil Nadu. Here I am going to give you a short demo about OpenCV-Python based image processing and video processing using Google Colaboratory. Here I have click and drag and drop two image processing files from already I am having image processing files and video processing file blackbed.mp4. So install all the necessary libraries: numpy, pandas, OpenCV2, google.colab.patches, and SK image, scikit image library, pillow library, and matplotlib Python library. Okay, then run this code. You can download the image from the internet also, and here you can display the image also, or otherwise you can load the image from here, right? Where.1.jpg. Copy the link here, content/where.jpg one still image. Yeah, and also you can play capture. You can play an video using a video capture command, and you can read an frame from that video, and you can display that image here also, right? Okay. So we can process both still image and video processing using Google Colaboratory, OpenCV Python. We can practice OpenCV Python for both the still image and video processing using Google Colaboratory without installing the Python and its libraries.